Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with this aluminum foil dips and today I want to do some dots of color here on the foil and dip my canvas in, and I will use some greens and primary colors on sorry, on white background, and of course my pearl white for some effects. And as I said, my background color will be white, and I painted my canvas because I'm reusing it. You can always reuse your canvases. I sometimes paint them, sometimes don't, but I'm expecting some negative space here. That's why I painted it with white, because if there will be some spaces that I will not do my color right, that you will have this covered. So what I want to do is do maybe two flowery looking kind of things here, like that, and one here. Oop. A bubble, air bubble, and then I will add maybe some dots just for the buds kind of thing. So this is pearl white, to maybe add some lacing effects, and with greens I will do some leaves and vines and something like that. I don't know, just basically doing lines and dots. Oop, maybe this is too much. Like that. And now I will do a vine kind of here, and one like that, maybe a little more here, and some dots for the leaves kind of thing. This was Yellowish Green by Amsterdam, and this is Green Earth by Pebeo. I want a little more green here, and maybe here, and add some buds of the colors on there. So, hop. Let's do one here, one here, one here, one here maybe. Some pearl white. Just do a little pearl white along this lines too. here. I don't know how this will look like, but we never do. We can kind of predict, but don't know. I will add just a little white on the canvas just to wet it down a little bit. Look. See, just a touch. Okay, let's do that. Place it down. I don't like to press too much because don't want to smash this the whole lot. Just want to make sure that my canvas is touching this. Okie doke. So let's lift it and see what will happen. Minimalistic, but I love it. Love it. Okay, so here is a close-up. I love the first one. I love the lacing and that there is some negative space. I really like it. And I like the second one too, maybe even more, because it's like a bouquet. So definitely beautiful details. Colors are always nice when you use primary colors, you know. So yeah, two different ways to do a dip, and I will show you some others too, just in case if you are new to my channel. I did a ton of those when I start pouring. So yeah, stay tuned for the dried results. So here they are dry. I really love both of them. Look at these beautiful cells and lacing. Just love them. It's a little different than I was expecting. This one is just beautiful, isn't it? I love it. I really do. Maybe I would need a little more color here, but still it's a nice painting. And this is the second one, totally different. When you lift it, you know, differently. Just depends which look you like more, or how can I say? I like both of them. So dip is really easy. Some people say that it's not, but it is. But you have to have in mind that the way that you lift your canvas will create different look, and you should be fine. So yeah, another look that you can achieve just with pouring some paint on your surface, dip and reveal. So just pour, dip and reveal. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!